Vocal skills are the pitch, pace, pause, volume, tone, accent, etc. of voice while speaking. Controlled vocal skills give you extra confidence and make you more effective socially and professionally. How to improve vocal skills. 1. Speak to communicate and not just to pass information. 2. Speak naturally without any accent. 3. Speak with conviction, feeling and energy. 4. Pace of speaking should not be too fast and nor too slow. 5. A pause should happen at a natural point in a speech. 6. Controlled pause show that the speaker is in full control. 7. A pause helps the listener to refocus the attention and understand what is spoken. 8. Speak at a volume which is appropriate to the size of the audience. 9. Speak at a uniform voice, in a natural continuous flow. 10. Tone of your voice should radiate energy, display enthusiasm, increase excitement, create emotion and highlight your emphasis.